Hi guys, I'm here in Bellarmine Costa. I'm doing a review here in the Chinese restaurant Golden Phoenix. So let's see what this is like. It's a menu of the day, €7. Let's have a little look to see what they do. So I'm sitting there and I'll let you know what it's like. The rain stopped, it's been raining today. So we'll see how this goes. So here I am in Golden Phoenix. I'm going to do a food review of the Chinese here and see what it's like. It's €7 the menu. Drinks are separate, but we'll see how this goes. So I ordered a beer, San Miguel, of course, and I ordered the soup with chicken and mushrooms. I ordered, this is here, and then I ordered the beef and what was it, bamboo cettuccine, which is bamboo and beef and bamboo and and the Chinese mushrooms and the fried rice. So like I said, it stopped raining. It has been raining, so let's check out this soup. Okay, we're going to try the soup out now. Also, prawn crackers. Don't forget the prawn crackers. Sometimes you get them, they're a bit greasy, but it's just nice. Obviously they come basically in bulk. So try the soup out. Nice and hot, very, very hot. You see that? Steaming hot. Nice and thick. Yeah, there's enough chicken there. Could do with a little bit more chicken, but the flavour's nice. So this is my first food review, really. Not very good. I think I'm better with the live videos. I'm not used to this YouTubing. So the soup's nice anyway. I'll get better. So yeah, as I said before, I will get better at these videos. Just going to show you. It's quite a lot of chicken there. It is very nice. Like I said before, it's quite a nice soup. Chicken and mushrooms. Okay, only problems is the bloody pigeons. Go away. So the second course is out. I have the beef, and it has the cettuccine, which is the mushroom bamboo and Chinese mushrooms, and the fried rice. And this bloody pigeon won't go away. You gotta be kidding me. No way, not today. So let's plate up. Okay, so we're gonna plate up, see what happens. So the pigeons don't come. The pigeons are all around about. That's the only problem with this part of the coast. Don't know why. They seem to go for any food. Basically, it's on the nice bits of beef, plenty of veg. Only problem is there's not a separate spoon for the rice. Okay, you can't do this one-handed. Actually, that doesn't look that good. That's that rice. So let's see what happens. I might be surprised. So let's see what happens. Okay, so I plated up. The problem is we have yellow blinds and it makes everything look a bit yellow. So trying to get an angle. Gracias. Okay, so we're going to go in. We're going to dig in now. We're all plated up. Bit of beef there. Not too bad, not too bad. In the rice. So it looks a little bit stodgy. That's what it tastes like. Not too bad. It's not the best rice I've had, but it is nice. Bit of beef you got. I mean, don't forget, €7 a menu, so it's around a fiver, something like that. So it's not too bad. I mean, value for money. Up to now, it's pretty nice. The soup was really hot. The rice did look stodgy, but it's not too bad actually. It's quite tasty. You got plenty of bamboo and cettuccine, which are Chinese mushrooms. Not too bad, not too bad. I must say I've been here before, and I thought the food was slightly a little bit better. I suppose some people have some good days, some bad days, but I'm not sure it's bad though. Honest review, honest review. Anyway, I'm going to eat this and I'll get back to you later and I'll give you my rating of the overall experience. And still got a tea or a coffee, I think. So it's €7. So it's more like £6. The beer separate. So I'm going to eat this and let you know what I think afterwards. Bon appetit. So yeah, just to go back. The meat's quite tender actually. Lots of vegetables. It's hard to do it all hand. You can't obviously cut it with a fork because it's beef, but let's have a go. Yeah, it's beef obviously, so you can't cut it with a fork, but it is tender. So we end with a coffee, and actually I'm going to give it a rating right now. Basically you get a coffee, it's a 3-course, you get a starter, main course, you can have a coffee, tea, ice cream or a flan. I decided to have a coffee. Let you know what this is like and I'll give you a rating out of 10 right now. Okay. They took away my they took away my my stand there that I used that has the soya sauce and everything there. So I've got it against a beer bowl, so if they move the beer bowl right now, the phone is going to fall over. So let's check out the coffee. Not too much sugar. Don't want to move the table too much, and I hope that pigeon doesn't come and knock over. So you see this yellow background. Anyway, let's check out the coffee. Yep, nice and hot. So yeah, basically it's €7 the meal. You get a starter, main course. You can get a coffee or ice cream or a flan. I think money-wise, it's good. The food is regular. It's nice. It's not top notch. It's not like really up there with the rest, but. So overall, I'll give it, I think, a 7 out of 10. 7 out of 10 is not too bad. It's not a 4 or a 5. It could be worse, but I think value for money is good. Quantity-wise, it's okay. The only thing that threw me off a little bit was the rice. Could be a little bit less stodgy. I said that before, stodgy, meaning it's like it was like clumped together a little bit, but the flavour was nice. So I suppose some things you'll get in a meal that don't look as nice, but they are tasteful. I don't know if it's a good thing for you guys, but yeah. So I'm here in the Golden Phoenix between Arroyo de la Miel, and Benamana Costa. Basically the same area, and that was Golden Phoenix Chinese food review. Hope you enjoyed it. Nothing exciting. This is really my proper review, my first proper review. And that's it for now, guys. Alright, see you later. So there you go, there's the receipt. It's menu of the day, €7. The San Miguel's €1.80, €8.80. And that shows you where it is, the Sagittarian apartments, Arroyo de la Miel, Benamana in Spain, of course. And yeah, so I think I gave it a 7, yeah. Value for money was very good. Obviously, if you paid like €20 or something, then you'd say no. I would give it like a lot less. But for the value, for the €7 that it cost for the menu, so definite 7. I will be back. It is very nice. It's just not that far from the train station. So hope you enjoyed the video, and have a lovely day. Okay, after that yellow blind thing, so yeah, so the food wasn't bad. Maybe some of the things I said were maybe a little bit wrong when you look at it. I've just been looking at the video in hindsight. Yeah, I give it a 7 still. The food was nice, quantity wise. The thing is, I have been there before, and I think the last time I went it was slightly better. That's happened to me quite a few times actually, come to think of it. Maybe some guys have a good day, bad day, but I think it's 7 out of 10 is pretty good really for the food there. So yeah, I'll stick with that. Okay. Talk to you soon.